In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. We'll take a look at a handy feature that automatically formats your cells based on the data they contain or don't contain. This can be incredibly useful for visually analyzing data at a glance. So let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First, open up your Google Sheet. You'll want to make sure you have the sheet you intend to work on right in front of you. Remember, you can create a new one or open an existing sheet from your Google Drive. Once you've got your sheet open, highlight the cells you want to apply the conditional formatting to. In this example, let's highlight cells B2 and B3. Simply click and drag your cursor over these cells to select them. This makes sure that any formatting rules we apply will affect only these specific cells. Next, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Format. This action opens up a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From here, find and select Conditional Formatting. A new pane will appear on the right side of your screen, dedicated to conditional formatting settings. Within this conditional formatting pane, you'll come across a range of different options. To begin, choose the condition is empty. This means that any cell within your selected range that does not contain data will be formatted according to the rules you set. Next, it's time to choose what that formatting will look like. Under the Formatting Style section, click on Fill Color and select Black. This choice will ensure that any empty cells get highlighted in black, making them stand out. With that rule set, let's add another layer of conditional formatting. Click on the Add Another Rule button found at the bottom of the pane. This allows you to apply multiple conditions to the same range of cells. For your second rule, select the condition is not empty. This option will apply to cells within your chosen range that do have content. Go to the Formatting Style settings once more and select a different fill color, this time choosing yellow. Now any cell in your selection that has data will be highlighted in yellow. Once you've set these rules, look for the Done button and click on it to save your changes. As you do this, notice how Google Sheets immediately reflects those changes on your cell selections. To see it all come together, click on cell B2 and type in any character. Within moments, you'll see the cell's color change from black to yellow as soon as text appears. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make your data in Google Sheets visually tell a more vibrant story. Implement these formatting rules whenever you need an at-a-glance understanding of data status or to improve the aesthetic readability of your spreadsheets. Happy formatting!